a lot of what we in my family call FIO, which is figure it out. Uh, because that's I think that's the most valuable skill you can have is how to figure things out. It's huge. Period. So if we want to use these methods in a meaningful way in our in programming, so we might have a variable like this. Notice it's a string. So if I want to use that in an expression for an if statement, I'm going to do that. And then if it's numeric, it prints is a number, and else it prints not a number. So that is a very simple way to do this. Let's actually get this in code here. Okay, so we've got the number and we've got if. And why don't you code this along with me? I'll slow it down a little bit. I'll slow my roll, take a drink of my tea, and let you catch up. Of course, if you're watching this later on video, you can just pause me all you want. Now remember, this is a string method. So we are not saying do not copy this right now, str test. We're not doing this. If it was a Python function, that's how we would probably set it up. But that's not what isNumeric is. It is a string method, which means, and do copy this, str test dot isNumeric. Oops, there we go. And it's yelling at me because I don't have a colon. Sad for me. All right, so there it is. Str test isNumeric. Now it is underlining this in this brown color. Let's see. It says remove redundant parentheses. It doesn't like my parentheses. I like my parentheses. I already told you why. That's just my preference. What Python would prefer is that I do this, but I just feel kind of naked without them, so I'm going to put them back. All right, so str test isNumeric will return true or false depending on whether that is a numeric string. We know that it is. And then, so we print it's a number. Now, that's good.